We caught it live. LED floodlights going onto the louvers at North Goal for the very first time. Welcome back to Camp Nou Projects. This corner is also getting a brand new terraced seating area taking shape in front of the mobility cores. While over at Tribuna, louver anchor installation continues expanding fast, even though the compression ring itself remains stalled at 12 boxes. Let's get into everything happening this week. We start at Tribuna, where the compression ring situation hasn't changed. Still the same 12 boxes needed as last week, with nothing new installed as of this Monday. Match scheduling this week, including a midweek fixture, will likely slow progress further, though there's genuine hope this stretch gets resolved by next week. The more encouraging news here is louver anchor installation, which has expanded significantly. One section now has anchors fully installed across the lower, middle, and upper bands, while a neighboring section has anchors partially in across all 3 levels with more still needed. It's real, visible progress toward eventually wrapping this entire level of the stadium in louvers. Elsewhere in this zone, new signage lettering has gone up above one entrance, and the VIP access staircase is now essentially complete, with only a few tile pieces still being cut to fit tight corner spaces. Around the Tribuna corner, one mobility core still lacks its louver support brackets, though the anchor points behind the connecting brackets are already in place. Sandwich panels are also still missing on this same core. Protective netting nearby marks where piping work continues beneath the cantilever, with the lower section not yet fitted with tubing. Before we move on, please like the video and subscribe for more updates. At South Goal, activity is relatively quiet today. No changes to the mobility cores, corner trim pieces still pending, and protective plastic wrapping remains on several of the more recently installed louvers, though older sections nearby have already had theirs removed. A large batch of new phalange boxes has arrived on site here, staged and ready for whenever ring installation resumes. In the lateral sector, this remains the most active zone on site. Crews continue building block walls and formwork around one of the diamond structures, with plenty of material staged for the walls still being raised. On the first cantilever level, new steel connectors are going in along the upper section. The first confirmed prep work for sandwich panels reaching a 3rd level anywhere on the stadium, since panels between the 2nd and 3rd cantilever haven't been installed anywhere yet. This sector also remains the most complete overall, with LED fixtures already fully installed on every louver here. A signage vinyl company was also spotted on site, the same one responsible for the branded graphics seen around various entrances. At North Goal, the standout moment of this visit, LED floodlight installation was caught live on camera for the first time, with crews actively wiring and mounting fixtures across multiple sections. Several louvers here now have their lighting connected, with more being added throughout the corner as the day continues. Nearby, formwork and scaffolding have been fully cleared from the interior of one mobility core, leaving it ready for exterior sandwich panels and lower concrete paneling whenever that phase resumes. Painting continues on structural connections here too, with white primer going down ahead of a final black coat still to come. The most unexpected development of the day, though, is new terraced seating construction beginning directly in front of the North Goal mobility cores. Rebar framework is going in, and wooden formwork is already being placed to shape what will become stepped seating, facing where a future video screen will sit. It's early, but the framing and first panel installation are already underway, worth tracking closely in the coming weeks. That's today's walk around Spotify Camp Nou. LED floodlights reaching North Goal's louvers for the first time, new terraced seating rising in front of the mobility cores there, and steady louver anchor progress continuing across Tribuna even as the compression ring stays paused. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.